Hey everyone, this is Matt King with the King Piers team. We're out here on day one on a what should be a short little project in Kansas City, kind of North Kansas City area. This is a King Pier 2 installation job. Don't know how well you can see it right here. There are some pretty long cracks going along this section of the garage floor. So as you see here, we have saw cut around the perimeter of what we're going to be removing. One King Pier 2 is going to be going right around there. Other one we're going to dig actually on the outside right here. You can see cracking starting to form there. We were originally going to do the two from this side, but since we saw that cracking there, we want to make sure to have it properly supported. So we'll get the concrete broken up out here today, and should be able to have the digging done as well, get the piers installed tomorrow, and hopefully be able to get all the concrete and everything done tomorrow as well. So stay tuned for more updates. You can find those on our YouTube and Facebook channels. Just search for King Piers LLC if you have not visited those pages before. We'd also appreciate if you could leave a like and subscribe. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com, and don't forget you can always give us a call at 1-816-288-4373.